This is the Deployment Trauma Kit 2. Pressure sealed in heavy-duty medical grade vinyl, the Deployment Trauma Kit 2 is 25% lighter and 75% thinner than current trauma kit configurations. This is the low Vis Deployment 2 Trauma Kit. Efficiency is key, that's why our low Vis Deployment 2 Trauma Kit is packed with the same contents as our Deployment 2 Trauma Kit, but at a fraction of the size. This is the Expedition Trauma Kit. The Expedition Trauma Kit combines the best features of our top-selling low visibility and shield trauma kits while retaining the smallest profile possible. This is the Shield Trauma Kit. Designed for discreet safety, the Shield Trauma Kit allows accessibility to a variety of personal carrying options. The Shield Trauma Kit replaces the bulky nylon pouch, saving weight and reducing stiffness. Phokus Research Group, life-saving innovations.